Hi everyone, this is my first ML Agents learning environment I created using the guide provided in the ML Agent GitHub project. For training this, actually in the GitHub project guide, the training configs are not that clear. It provides all the requirement, it provides all the details to create the learning environment, even the scripts, but configs are not that clear. So I'm going to show you what configs I used. If you want to see how I set up this actual environment, you can go to the link down below. There's a guide that will help you to set up this environment, but first you have to install TensorFlow, Python TensorFlow, and download this GitHub project. And there are few other things you need to set up. So I have provided all these details in my blog. I will provide a link down below as well. For now, let's see what are the configs that I have used for train this. So here I have the role agent. For the role agent, I'm using the default script, but I have given some rewards. I have increased the number of amount of rewards I give. For example, you can see agent action. When we reach a target, the reward is increased to 5. So fall of reward is -1 still. So I have done some money changes. Also, this file is also included in my blog. The decision frequency is 5. I think this is the default value. For the brain, I have increased the stack vectors up to 6, which means the neural network basically remember the previous 6 observations along with the current observation to make a decision. And for the actual configs of the network, I have these actual values: buffer size, batch size, learning rate, beta, number of layers, and hidden units. For these values, I found the training is very good. So you can see the end result. It's actually pretty good. It's, following the cube. So go to my blog and see how all this can be done. This can be set up within 1 hour very easily. Thank you for watching.